Maybe Netflix subtitles are too big or too small. Let's see how you can customize and change the subtitle style on your Windows PC. So for that, we have to open up our Netflix app. So here you can notice the subtitles look too large, so we need to adjust them. So we have to go back to the home page and then click on your profile in the top right corner. From here, go to account, then scroll down to edit settings. And here we'll find the option subtitle appearance. And then from the right corner, you will see text size option. If it's set to large, you can try small, but it may be hard to read. The best option is medium. It's clear and easy to see. So when it's set it perfectly, you can also change the font style, add shadow, and adjust other appearance settings for subtitles. So once you are done, make sure to save your changes. And after saving, close Netflix completely and reopen it. Now play any video and you will see your subtitles updated with the new style and size. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.